नमस्कार मित्रों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल पर जिसका नाम है पीवी एजुकेशन हाल्ट। और यहाँ पर आपको मिलता है शॉर्ट एंड फ्रेज और आउटलाइंस। और अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है या आप पहली बार विजिट कर रहे हैं हमारे चैनल पर, तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें, साथ ही बेल आइकन को जरूर दबा लें। और इसी के साथ हम वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको लिंक देते हैं टेलीग्राम ग्रुप का, आप हमारा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप भी ज्वाइन वहाँ पर कर सकते हैं। और दोस्तों, आज का जो मैटर है, अब हम ये हमारा जो मैटर है दूसरा है, मतलब कि आज के दिन की दूसरी डिक्टेशन है जो कि 100 वर्ड पर मिनट पर है। तो चलिए इसको ज़्यादा देर ना करते हुए शुरू करते हैं। और ये मैटर पूरी तरीके से लीगल है। इसी मैटर पर दूसरी डिक्टेशन भी है जो 80 वर्ड पर मिनट है, जो कि इससे पहले दी गई है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। 5 seconds। This appeal is directed against the final judgment and order dated 2nd April 2008, passed by the High Court of Jharkhand at Ranchi in LPA number 53 of 2007, whereby the division bench of the High Court dismissed the LPA filed by the appellant. Herein the confirmed the order dated 12th January 2007, passed by the single judge of the High Court in WP number 2572 of 2005. Full stop para. The controversy involved in this appeal is a short one, as would be clear from the facts stated infra. Full stop. The appellant is a premier technical educational institute of repute in the country. Full stop. It is known as Birla Institute of Technology, BIT. Full stop. Respondent number 4 joined the appellant institute as assistant professor on 16th September 1971 and superannuated on 13th November 2001 after attaining the age of superannuation. Full stop. Respondent number 4 then made a representation to the appellant and prayed therein for payment of gratuity amount, which according to respondent was payable to him by the appellant under the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972. Full stop. The appellant, however, declined to pay the amount of gratuity as demanded by respondent number 4. Full stop para. Respondent number 4 therefore filed an application before the controlling authority under the act against to the appellant and claimed the amount of gratuity which according to him was payable to him under the act. Full stop. By order dated 7th September 2002, the controlling authority, respondent number 3, allowed the application filed by respondent number 4 and directed the appellant to pay a sum of rupees 3,38,796 along with interest at the rate of 10% per annum towards the gratuity to respondent number 4. Full stop para. The appellant felt aggrieved and filed appeal before the appellant authority under the act. Full stop. By order dated 15th April 2005, the appellant authority dismissed the appeal. Full stop. The appellant felt aggrieved and carried the matter to the High Court in a writ petition. Full stop. The High Court by order dated 12th January 2007 dismissed the writ petition and upheld the orders of the authorities passed under the act. Full stop. The appellant then filed letters patent appeal before the division bench against the order passed by the single judge. Full stop. The LPA was also dismissed by the impugned order, which has given to rise to filing of the present appeal by way of special leave by the appellant institute in this court. Full stop para. The short question which arises for consideration in this appeal is whether the courts below were justified in holding that respondent number 4 was entitled to claim gratuity amount from the appellant under the Act. Full stop. Heard Mr. Shiv Chandra, learned counsel for the appellant, and Mr. Anil Kumar Jha, learned counsel for respondent. Number 4. Having heard the learned counsel for the parties and on perusal of the record of the case, we find merit in this appeal. Full stop. As rightly argued by the learned counsel for the appellant, the issue involved in this appeal remains no longer res integra and is decided by this court in Ahmedabad Private Primary Teachers Association versus Administrative Officer and others, 2004, 1 SSC 755 in favor of the appellant. Full stop. Thank you.